Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Notion pages to Dropbox using Notion Backup Sync. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Notion application or website. Navigate to the pages you want to backup. Select the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, choose Export. In the export options, select either PDF, Markdown, or HTML format, depending on your preference. Make sure to check the option for Include Subpages if you want to backup all related pages. Click on the Export button to initiate the process. This will download the selected pages in a compressed zip file to your computer. Next, locate the downloaded zip file in your computer's Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip file to a designated folder for better organization. Now, open your Dropbox application or go to the Dropbox website. If necessary, log into your Dropbox account. Navigate to the folder where you want to store your Notion backup. Click on the Upload button and select Files. Choose the extracted files you want to upload to Dropbox. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, you can access your Notion backup from any device linked to your Dropbox account. To automate future backups, check if there's a third-party tool that syncs Notion pages to Dropbox. Install and authorize any recommended syncing tool you prefer. Set up the syncing preferences according to your specific needs. Now, you are successfully backing up your Notion pages to Dropbox with ease. Periodically check and verify that your backups are up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.